Google just dropped Veo 3.1. In this video, I'm going to show you how it's an upgrade on Veo 3 and exactly how you can use it to build an ad campaign in minutes, just like this. So what is new in Veo 3.1 and how is it an upgrade on Veo 3? So there are a few major updates from Veo 3, one being narrative and shot control. So you have this new ingredients to video mode, which was part of Veo 3, but it's been upgraded. You also get frames to video, aka first and last frame, which allows you to take one image as your start frame and one as your end frame. And Veo 3.1 fills in the rest through video. You also get multi-shot and longer duration support, so it supports longer videos of up to a minute. We've also got richer audio and better realism, so the audio sounds that little bit better and you have more realistic scenes. You get object and scene level editing, so you can add or remove elements from a specific scene. And this is quite a big deal, especially if you've struggled to get the perfect video every time. You now have that extra level of creative control to get exactly what you're looking for. Then lastly, higher resolution, longer format and platform integration. So it now supports 1080p and longer outputs, and you can always upscale these using a tool like Topaz or Magnific. And this is big news. It just means that it opens up that extra level of quality if you're trying to get video results that are for client work or for your own projects where you need that extra level of quality. So let's hop into FLORA, and I'm going to show you how to use Google Veo 3.1 ingredients to video to build out an ad campaign in a matter of minutes. So this is what it looks like. We've got our product image here, which is a serum bottle. And one thing to note is the more detailed the text, the more difficult it is to get a perfect outcome every time. And I'll show you this a little further down the line, but it is easier to use products that have minimal text. I've then developed my own image model. You can drop in your own or create one from scratch. Her skin is a little bit too perfect, but this is good enough for the purpose of this tutorial. Next, I use Seedream to drop the product into various different scenes, a bathroom, a forest, and a desert. And then I did the same thing using the background of these original images and then dropped in my model image. The way you do this is you just click and drag your nodes, you create a new image, you can select your model, and then you can always add a second image as a reference if you need to. Then from here, we use Veo 3.1 ingredients to video. So you can create a new video node and scroll down to Veo 3.1 ingredients. It does use a hell of a lot of credits, 4,000, which is more than any other image model. But for the quality that you're getting and the way that it allows you to produce that higher level quality of video, to me, it's worth it. So we've got our two separate images which we've linked here. So we've taken our product image in the bathroom and our model in the bathroom, and then created a new video node, added Veo 3.1 ingredients, and then added a prompt here showing shot 1, shot 2, and a little sound prompt. It's produced sound. Let's give it a listen. Okay, so it's kind of stuck to the uplifting new age music, nothing world changing, but good enough. Likewise here, we've got our original image of the product in this forest, and then the model in a very similar setting doing her little model thing. Likewise here in the desert, it's done a decent job of maintaining the text at the top, so the large text, but if you zoom in, you can see the text at the bottom here isn't great. So that's the note with finer details. If you have a product that does have that really small text, If you want to fix this, you can either use a model like 2.1, which allows you to swap out specific elements of your video, or you can use a post-production tool like After Effects if you want to get it absolutely perfect. From here, I've used Topaz Upscaler to basically take that video, which I believe was 720p, and upgrade it all the way up to 4K if you want to. From here, you can drop it into your editing software, mix and match, add some sound design, maybe rework the music so that everything fits together nicely, and clean up any elements that don't quite make sense, and you're good to go. So that is how you can get started with Google Veo 3.1 in a matter of minutes using FLORA. You're also welcome to try this directly in Google Flow, where you can use various different Veo models, Veo 2, Veo 3, Veo 3.1, and have a little bit more creative control if that's what you're looking for. But I hope this was useful. If you want this exact workflow, you can clone this workflow in the link below. I'm very excited to see what you create with Google Veo 3.1. Thank you for watching.